From the front porch of his rebuilt home, Bryant Culler can see the goats across the way eating and keeping the grass down.
There's 300 goats over there cleaning up the weeds, and grass fires they happen.
He'll never forget that fire that tore through more than 1,000 homes, including more than 300 in Superior, thanks to extreme winds. Of all days, on the 3-year mark of the Marshall Fire, that horrible blowing wind comes again.
I was more worried about the trash cans than anything, but it hit me a little harder than I expected.
There's a lot of trauma, and people are luckily using the Facebook group to talk about it and come together and share.
On the day the fire erupted, Meryl Suisa created the Marshall Fire Community Facebook page as a way to help. 3 years later, the page remains a crucial space for victims to share and remember. In many ways, the fire hasn't stopped burning in their hearts and minds, and that wind adding to it all.
What I'm hearing from people in the group is that they're not sleeping. I barely slept last night. This wind brings up trauma for a lot of them, and that's what they're saying, that they're not going to leave their houses today because the last time the wind was like this and they left their house, a lot of them, most of them, never went home.
Bryant was one of those people, finally in a new rebuild on the same plot of land where he's lived for 20 years. The last 3 have been the hardest.
Definitely some changes in me personally, saying with the material things, I have a different perspective on that, and living life to the fullest, and anything can happen at any time. So make the most of every day.
The Facebook group created by Meryl Suisa now has 6,000 members. She tells us when donations first started pouring in, they came from around the world, from places like Thailand. In Superior, Colorado, Jeremy Hohola, 9 News.
Nice they still have that to communicate with one another.